Last time my wife said to me I need to be a bit more upbeat about my videos. So here we go. Almost done. Pretty much trying to sort the ergonomics out and get that all spot on. So effectively we have the Logitech G27 base with a different wheel. That's an eBay wheel, and the simgear.uk paddle box, paddle plate and box. So the intent here is to get a GT style racing position, and I'm not sure whether I've got it, but I hope I have. As I said before, we've got the inverted pedals down there, and I'm not sure what angle to put them actually, but I've effectively got them so that when I brake, then it's 90 degrees to my foot, and then the other pedals don't work quite the same as that, but I'm not sure what a GT or inverted pedal setup is supposed to be like, so that's what I've set it up like. This is the custom sequential shifter for V8 supercars. We have the ball plungers, and then a spring, and then obviously the switches. That's pretty self-explanatory, I think. Now the intention is that eventually I get an OSW, so this system that I've kind of arranged here means that I can bolt an OSW onto it, because as many know, the G27 has a really strange angle to it, and it's pretty much done for mounting to a tabletop rather than racing in a racing car kind of setup. So this means that I can rearrange this and make it so it's right angled to the rig eventually, and effectively bolt an OSW to it. This thing's not moving anywhere. It's rock solid. It's very ugly at the moment, and I'll paint it and I don't know, do something to it. But at the moment the intent is that it's a setup and a rig design that I can then eventually transition to an 80/20 rig. So that's the plan, and maybe the 80/20 will come when the 2-depth field comes, or I don't know, maybe the 2-depth field comes first and the 80/20 comes second, but anyway, whatever. I've still got a couple of changes to make. So we have the board I've mounted there, that's for the keyboard, and then I'm going to move that button box forward. I don't use it a lot, but when I do it's kind of handy. And then this shifter here, I don't know, it's not a bad shifter, but it's not fantastic, but that there I'm going to mount around the other way so that my arm can go in here and then rest against there for the mouse. So I think that's probably it, and then eventually I'm going to build a 2-depth field, which I mentioned before, set up on the back, and I'll effectively bolt it onto the back or do the 80/20 onto the back of here, and I've got a bunch of plans for that and a bunch of Excel spreadsheets working. But yeah, I don't know, I think it's going to be okay. So from the original rig that I did, I've pretty much changed everything, and it was only the bottom 2 parallel rails that are the ones left from the original rig. Everything's been changed over the last couple of days. So I hope that helps somebody, and see you next time. Bye.